Hello and welcome. We are going to create a bar chart and a line chart in Excel. Here is the data we are going to use. We have data for January 2023 from 1st January to 31st January. We have sales for the month, expenses for the month, and the profit which we get by subtracting expenses from the sales. So we're going to draw a bar chart of sales and expenses. The first I'll draw is the bar chart for the sales, and also I'll combine it with a line chart for the expenses. So let's begin. Welcome. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Our first step is going to the insert button, and since we're going to begin with sales, we're going to select the two column clustered column. So this is what I'm going to select, and you'll find it highlights everything, but let's ignore it for the moment. So I'll right click, and after right clicking I'll go to select data. After that I'll remove all this that is there. Let's see if it starts by giving you that. Then I'll click add, and what I'll click after I click add, we'll have the series name. We'll click cells, and the series values, you delete what is in this cell so that it is a blank cell. Then you highlight from the first to the last, and there we have the bar charts. Click OK. Then edit for the x-axis or the horizontal axis. We'll edit it and insert the dates from 1st January to 31st January. Then click OK. Then click OK. So this is the bar chart for the sales January 2023. Next, we are going to draw a line graph. First, we'll draw the line graph separately. Then I'll show you how to draw the line graph together with the bar graph together in one graph. So I'll go to the insert button and click the line graph and click the first 2D line. There are other options here. I can click this, that will give the smooth line, or I can click this. Let me select this. So after that, I'll move it to the other side of the bar chart and reduce the bar chart size. Then I'll right click again and click select data. Then I'll add. The series name is expenses, and the series values, you select the series values from the first to the last and click OK. Then we'll edit the horizontal axis to select the dates. So that click OK. Then we have the line charts for the expenses. Okay, we may format our graphs according to certain patterns that we see fit. For example, we may select this, you may select this, you may select this. All these patterns depends on how you want your bar graph to look like. Or we may change the colors to this and have this format. Or we may select this format. So let's change the colors to this. I love these colors. And let's change it to that. Then on the top right, after clicking this, on the top right there is this add button, so you'll click it, and there are other options here. So I'll click remove the data labels because they are clustering the cells. Okay, similarly, that can also be applied to the line graph. You may choose whatever format you like. This is one of the formats, or you may choose this format Yes, let me choose that format. It looks presentable, but I'll change the color to yes, let me select this. Now, you may want to combine these graphs into one, and that is exactly what I want to do. I want to make sure the expenses and the sales are combined together. So what I'll do is right click on the sales bar graph and select data. After I select data, I'll click add, and the series name is expenses, and the series values, I'll select this, and I'll click OK. Edit this from 1st January to 31st January. I'll click OK. And there we have it. We have both sales and expenses. Then we can format so that it will have an axis title, it will have a chart title, and yeah, let's have this for the moment. So axis title, this is date, and this is sales and expenses, and this is sales and expenses for January 2023. There we have it. You may want to change the chart format, so you'll click change chart type. You may change it to that format. So I love the combo format because one will be represented by the bar chart, and the other will be represented by the line graph. So if there is need for secondary axis, you may have it, or you may not have it. Since all the values are in thousands and it can be seen, I'll click it, or I'll leave it that. So we may have this combo format, or this format, or this format, or this format, whatever you like, but let me choose this format. So I'll click OK. There I have it. So let me change the design to that and change the colors to these are more clear. I may change this to this. No, these are not clear, these are not clear. Let me have different colors. These are not presentable to me. Yes, these are. And I'll click this. So I have both the sales and the expenses for the month of January 2023. Let me delete this and expand this. So we've learned how to create a bar chart and a line graph, and also combine the bar chart and the line graph in one combo chart using the data of sales for January 2023 and the expenses for January 2023. Thank you. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe.